Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabumba here, and today we'll be working on another creative project. I'm going to show you how I did this flower fit. We're going to start with how to make a flower crown. I love you all, and I'm so grateful you came on this video. Okay, so you're going to need some fake flowers. Get them anywhere. I suggest dollar store or your house. Okay, you're going to need these clips and a hot glue gun. You can get them all at dollar store. All you have to do is put the hot glue in a clip and you're going to hold it down and it's going to glue. Now I'm going to show you guys the process of another one of the flowers that I had to fold down. I folded it down because it's kind of a rose shape and I want to wear this in my hair, of course, so it can't stick up. So I'm folding it down. This didn't take too long. And just started putting hot glues on the flower petals. As I put hot glue down at the flower petals, it held it down. And I just continue this process and do that with the other flowers, or simply just put hot glue at the back and add a clip. I'm just showing you guys how it looks like zoomed in. Quite a simple tutorial. You can make a flower crown in a day. You can make a flower crown if you just have hot glue, clips, and fake flowers in your house. And this is how it looks like in my hair. The simplest DIY. And I'm going to show you how I clipped it onto my hair. I just want to show you guys the back of the flower, how it works just like a regular hair clip. All these supplies cost less than $10, which is quite amazing. We love budget-friendly hot girl summer outfits. Okay, don't look at the nails, look at the clip. Don't look at the nails, look at the clip. Thank you. All right. Next on the list is how to make flower jeans. I know you clicked this video because you're wondering, oh my gosh, girl, how do I get like you? How do I make these? I need a pair in my closet now. I'm gonna help you. Get you some jorts. You don't got jorts? Get jeans, cut them into jorts. That's what I did. Fake flowers, once again. You are not gonna need that much. I'm using about the same amount I had before. And I kind of want to show you the process of what I did. So I took these fake flowers and I sewed it onto my jeans. This ain't coming off, baby. I have a sewing machine so I can sew them onto it. And the way I laid the flowers and the leaves, I just put in placement I thought would look nice. And I want to show you guys the stitch process I did. It's just a straight stitch, so it's nothing crazy. And hot gluing the flowers on top was only for the things that couldn't be sewed down. So if it can't be sewed down, I would hot glue it. But if it can be sewn down, I'm using the machine. And I'm just doing straight stitches, nothing crazy. Right here, I'm showing the process of what I did for one of the sides of the jeans. I basically took petals, flower petals, I cut them up, and I'm adding them individually one by one, petal by petal, to sew it straight across. And this is how it looked like with a straight across seam, because I sewed it. But now, I don't want all these flower petals to be sticking upwards, especially walking around or like washing them in the future. I want them all to be flat. So I'm happy that pretty much everything's sewn down and I could just hot glue some of it as well. Fairly easy. And then I folded it because I like the way it looks here with the flowers sticking outside of the jorts. I hot glued the ends just a little bit and then went back and sewed it. Now we're going to find out how to make flower boots. Yeah! I know. They're just old boots that I got. I don't know where I got it. Was it the mall? And I never really wear it. So I want to upcycle them. Let's do something fun with it. I basically just tied the shoelaces down. And I knew at the front, basically at the front of the boots, I want to add fake flowers there. So I have the boot in between my legs because this was the easiest way I could film it. And I'm just adding fake leaves, hot gluing it, and holding it down. That's all it takes, guys. You could go so far with a hot glue gun. If you were creative, get a hot glue gun right now. Right now. Wait, finish my video first and then go get it. Because look at the possibilities. All the things you can create. I made an entire outfit. When it comes to sewing things, I said, I don't want to make clothes. I want to make outfits, a look that everything can come together cohesively. That's what I love. Now I'm just gluing it down, nothing crazy. It's a quick tutorial, just 6 minutes, showing you how to make a flower crown, flower jeans, and flower boots. Alright y'all, time for the makeup. I have to do it really quickly, so transformation time. So, I want to show you guys the makeup process. First thought, we got expensive smoothies. This is where I took photos before meeting the photographer. Shout out to my pre-photographer. My best thing. It looks so cute, guys, because there's flowers here. I loved it. We did what we're supposed to do. Period. We got free sunscreen. Bestie Kalia joining me today on my first photo shoot of the year. So I was inspired to create this outfit because I saw someone sew flowers and denim together and I thought it'd be so sick and fun for my first photo shoot. This is my dinner. Yeah. Achieve this look.
So, La Cienega, I hear you and Penny are trying out for cheerleaders.
I know I'm not gonna make it. Penny's much better than I am. I hate to admit it, but Tree Girl has got a point. A little mad. After getting my hair done, my nails done, and this cute little purse. Speak for yourself, honey. I've got lots of pretty things to do. And everyone knows it's not a party unless La Cienega Boulevard is there.
Hey, so this is an original look by yours truly. I made this fake flower into a flower clip, and I made this fake flower into a necklace, and you guys should see my sandals. I'm gonna show how cute are these. I love my outfit. I am so ready to go out to my cosplay cartoon anime events. So these were the palettes I was using. Sailor Moon by ColourPop, Anime Manga 2B by Root Cosmetics, and this one's called Spotlight by You Can Be. Y'all see the flower? Today I'm turning myself into La Cienega Boulevardist. Let's get into it. Once again, I love y'all, and if you enjoyed the preview to that video, you know what you gotta do. The bell to be notified of my next upload. It's coming out Tuesday. We're doing 2 to 3 videos every week. Much love. I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.